This beginning is the movie. We see the dead body of a beautiful girl, and this dead body is not of an ordinary girl, but a famous actress and celebrity, Gina Fitzgibbon, who suddenly died during a party. At this time, Gina's dead body has been kept in a mortuary in a hospital. After this, we see two boys, one of whom's name was Vivan and this other's name was Javi. These two had come to meet their friend Paul. Actually, Paul used to work in the mortuary of this hospital, and his job was to take care of the dead bodies kept in the mortuary. Here's Vivan and Javi had come to take Paul to a party within them. But Paul's duty was still an hours away from being over. So the three of them go to the parking lots of the hospital and start gatherings. About to die, and that Anna was in front of him today, even if she is dead. Here Ivan says to his friend Javi that you two do this because you will never get such an opportunity again. Now the devil inside Ivan wakes up by waving his hands like this, and he thinks of doing something wrong with Anna's dead body. He refuses to do this. But Ivan does not listen to him because there was a beautiful famous actress in front of him. Then Paul says to Ivan that I also did this with a beautiful girl's dead body. Also says that I also want to have fun with Avina's body, while Javi was finding all this very wrong. But later he also gets ready to support him in this wrong working. After that, these three drugs are intoxicated. Then Paul and Javi come to the staff room, and Ivan goes to the mortuary and does something wrong with Anna's body. Then after Ivan comes back, Paul goes and he also starts doing this disgusting work. But here we notice one thing that when Paul was doing this wrong work, then we see that Anna's eyes open. That is, she was alive and was in full consciousness when Paul finds out about this. Then he gets scared badly and starts screaming loudly. Hearing the screams of Paul, Javi and Ivan also come to the mortuary. Then Paul tells them that Anna is still alive, seeing Anna alive. Paul and Ivan's indicators start to appear because both of them had done wrong with Anna. Here they both start thinking that if we leave Anna alive, then she will go out and tell everyone that we had done wrong with her, and with this we can reach behind the bars for the rest of our lives. Now, here Ivan makes a plan to put Anna in the NASA rocket because he did not want to take any kind of risk, but Javi forbids him to do this and he goes to Anna and starts helping her. He tells Ivan that you have done a lot of wrong with Anna, so you will have to pay for it. Now, after hearing this, Ivan's mind was disturbed and he starts beating Javi. Pao tries to get rid is their WWI fight, but by then Ivan had beaten Javi to death. His head was torn and a lot of blood was flowing. Now these two wanted to treat him, but they could not get out of here because a man had brought someone's dead body a while ago. Then